Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts. Want to turn off YouTube Shorts because they appear too often? YouTube doesn't have a direct option to disable Shorts, but I'll show you 3 ways to remove Shorts from your YouTube feed. The first step is to use Not Interested option. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and access the Shorts section right here by clicking on Shorts in the bottom middle. Click on Shorts. After that, once you find the short you don't want to see, tap on the 3 dot menu right here and click on Not Interested. It's the 4th option right here, you can see it, and click Not Interested. You can tell them why you're not interested. You can choose irrelevant or boring. I'm gonna click on irrelevant. I repeat this for multiple shorts to reduce the appearance. You can also redo them, not interested, and choose the options, and that's it. The second method is to use the YouTube's browser version, and to do that, just open YouTube on Chrome or any browser. Let's close the shorts right here, and let's access Chrome. And you can go to YouTube. Now in my Chrome device, the YouTube app is opens when I click on the YouTube link. Now after you open YouTube in Chrome, just tap on the 3 dots menu in the browser and select desktop sites, and the short section won't appear in desktop mode. Third method is to use YouTube Advanced or third-party apps. Some modified YouTube apps like YouTube Advanced allows shorts blocking. However, this method requires third-party downloads and isn't officially supported. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn off YouTube Shorts using different methods. Try these steps and enjoy regular YouTube videos instead. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.